Hello and welcome to the Math for Fun, and in this video I'm going to show you how do you multiply integers. Now, to multiply integers, sometimes we have negative signs and sometimes we have positive signs. To do that and to get the correct answer, you need to follow the steps I'm telling you. I'm going to use something funny here, which is the funny face, which contains of two negative signs and one positive sign, like the one that I'm showing you here now. Now, to multiply two numbers with different signs, let's say 6 times negative 4, what to do? The sign of 6 is positive, the sign of 4 is negative, so you need to cross or take away the positive and negative sign in the face, and the left one is going to be the answer for your question. So here we have plus and minus, take it away, then you get minus left, so your answer is going to be in negative. So you write minus 6 times 4 is 24. And that's it. Let's try another one. Here we have 5 times minus 4. So one is positive and one is negative. So cross one positive sign, cross one negative sign. You will be left by negative. And then 5 times 4 is 20. So the answer is minus 20. What about this one? Here we have two minus signs. So minus 8 times minus 2. 2 times 8 is 16. We write it. And minus times minus, look at the face, take off the two minus signs, you will be left by positive sign. So just write it here and your answer is going to be plus 16. What about here? 10 times 5. 10 times 5 is 50, and plus just keep it as plus sign. Remember always, when we have all the signs are positive, like plus, so just keep it plus. So here we have 9 times 10 times 6, which I prefer in this question. Multiply 6 by 9 first, which is 54. And since the last one is 10, just add 0 to the number, so you get 540. Here we have to do it twice. So do minus 5 times minus 4. We write 20, and as we did minus and minus, take it from the funny face, you'll be left by positive. So we write plus 20. And now again, we have plus 20 times minus 10. 20 times 10 is 200, but plus times minus in the funny face, plus and minus cancel, so you're left by minus sign. So you'll get minus 200. If you want to remember it in another way, you can count the number of minus signs in the question. If you have the number of minus signs is odd, then the sign is going to be negative. If the number of signs is even, the answer is going to be positive. Like minus. How many times do we have minus here? We have 3 times. 3 times, which is odd. So your answer is going to be negative. If you have even number of signs, so your answer is going to be with positive sign. Let's look at that. Here we have only one minus sign, which means that the number of signs is odd, which means that our answer is going to be in negative. So 6 times 6 is 36. Times 2, which is 72, so our answer is negative 72. Here we have minus 2 times minus 1, so the number of negative signs in this question is 2, so we multiply 2 by 1 is 2, and the answer is going to be in positive because we have even number of minus signs. And here we can say that we approach the end of the video. If you like the video, don't forget to like and share, and welcome to Math for Fun, and bye for now.